Hello and welcome to our video on the Oppo Find N2 Flip, the latest offering from Oppo in the foldable smartphone category. In this video, we'll be discussing the price, specifications, and offers for the Oppo Find N2 Flip in India. The Oppo Find N2 Flip was unveiled globally in February as Oppo's first clamshell foldable smartphone, and it went on sale in India on March 17. The starting price for this device is Rs 89,999. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is available in moonlit purple and black colors, and can be purchased from Oppo's website, Flipkart, and other retail outlets. Now, let's talk about the specifications of the Oppo Find N2 Flip. The device is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC, 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It also has a Mali-G78 MC4 GPU for improved image processing. The Oppo Find N2 Flip has the largest battery capacity of any flip smartphone with a 4,300 mAh battery and supports 44 watts fast charging. The device has a dual camera setup at the back with a 50 MP IMX890 primary sensor and an 8 MP Sony IMX355 ultrawide sensor with a 112-degree field of view. The inner display has a 32 MP selfie camera on top, and thanks to the large cover screen, the main cameras can also be used to capture selfies. The display on the Oppo Find N2 Flip is a 6.8-inch AMOLED LPO display with a peak brightness of 1600 nits. The refresh rate of the screen can range between 1Hz and 120Hz. The panel supports HDR10+ and has its IP3 coverage of 97%. The front panel features a 3.62-inch cover-OLED display with a resolution of 382 by 720 pixels and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The outer display can be used to take selfies, check apps like the weather, and even change some settings. The Oppo Find N2 Flip comes pre-installed with Android 13-based ColorOS 13, and Oppo promises 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates. The device is made of Gorilla Glass 5 on the outside, weighs 191 grams, and is 16 mm thick when folded. Now let's talk about the price and offers for the Oppo Find N2 Flip. The device is priced at Rs 89,999 for the single 8GB/256 GB model. But customers can get it for Rs 79,999 thanks to cashback and other offers. Select bank cards come with a cashback of up to Rs 5,000 and no-cost ME for up to 9 months. Customers of Oppo can also get a Rs 5,000 exchange and loyalty bonus. In conclusion, the Oppo Find N2 Flip is a premium foldable smartphone with top-of-the-line specifications and features. It is priced at a premium, but with the offers available, it is definitely worth considering for those in the market for a foldable smartphone. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.